Done team, high five, virtual blue glove high five. Oh yeah, I guess we're going to put them in the bin anyway. Good job, happy Easter. Chocolate eggs for breakfast?
Yeah!
Someone's going to need to lie on her.
Lie on her?
Just put it down. Alright, well it's always coffee time in the morning while I'm stood in my pyjamas. When Eden comes running back up telling me that there's going to be a... Oh, what's that, a J? That there's lambs.
I really hope there's not.
Are these my size?
Yes.
Hold on. It has been a horrible wet night again. Yeah.
All the other lambs seem to be okay.
Which one is it? That one on the left?
Yeah.
Okay. Good girl.
But you can see it hanging now.
I can see something. As long as she didn't have the lambs and dropped them somewhere. But we'd see pretty easy.
Wait, it's not percent. I'll tell you that.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Hold that then.
You know what was that?
You can tell we've watched Mrs. Doubtfire. Help is at hand, dear.
Foot.
Oh, that's the tongue. That's the lamb's tongue.
What?
Yeah, okay. If you can single, it could be a really big one. Yeah.
I have a feeling it might be alive.
This is where...
Can I look at it with the camera or not?
Yeah, yeah. It's a big one.
You can tell.
Sugar's going to need two of us.
What?
Someone's going to need to lie on her.
Lie on her?
Just put it down. You have to hold her down. Holy shoot. Yes, it's alive. What? It's alive, here you go. Come on.
Whoa. Something wrong with its tongue though.
Yeah, I know, it's got been stuck out. There you go, now. Well, its whole head's deformed. Good girl.
This is alive though, and it's massive. It's like the size of her.
Oh, its tongue's all... Is it breathing? Good girl.
Is it breathing? Yes, it's breathing. I can hear it. I can see it.
Yeah,
The mother's not ready.
I think its tongue's stuck.
And that's why it can't breathe.
It's not breathing. Its head's all
Looks a bit like
swollen.
Huh? It looks like a dog.
Hang on, hang on. Yeah, I can
Breathing.
see its heart.
Yeah, that's why I don't know if it's breathing. Smells like a butter.
Good girl.
Yes!
Come on now.
That was the best thing ever I heard.
Oh no, it can't breathe. It's fitting. It's this tongue.
Oh no.
Good girl.
How'd you used to go?
I don't.
You just called it a girl.
It's not breathing yet.
Come on, breathe.
Hang on. What have you got swollen? That's it.
It's breathing.
Yeah.
Breathing. Yes.
Is the mum alright?
Yeah, she'll be okay. It's just such a big one. Its tongue.
I know, but its whole head's been swollen.
I think you might have to get a vet out of that tongue.
No, no.
Dude, look at the tongue.
See, it'll
Can't
retract, it's just swollen up, I think. You're a funny looking thing.
It looks a bit like a dog.
It's a big boy. Right, we need to get on this mum.
Yeah, it needs milk and
Right, is it still... No.
Yeah, it's breathing. Wait, yeah, it's breathing.
Get rid of those chickens. Alright. No, sorry.
Are you sure she's not a first timer?
No, she's not first time, is it? That's a funny old looking lamb. Come around here, get a video of it.
Looks like a dog.
That is a funny looking lamb.
And with the way it
Big
has...
girl. Just start licking.
Come on.
She's in shock, isn't she? So we have to chase her around.
And because it's such a big one. I can feel
Good girl.
how heavy she was pushing.
Well, those front feet, look at the size of them. They've all swollen up as well, I think. Right.
Oh my.
There's outdoor lamb and there's outdoor lamb, but that one wouldn't come out. It was all swollen up.
Good thing
Good,
I
she's
chin
licking.
checked.
You did. I don't care about missing my coffee now. I don't know what's wrong with his face. Poor lad, looks like he's running to the back of a parked car. Oh, his tongue's going in a bit.
Yeah, come on. Oh no.
It's a great result. Well done, team. I mean, the front feet on it.
Yeah, I know.
We're still, it's like a calf. A live lamb is always a great result. But, I mean, that lamb could eat one of these lambs. We've been out for a couple of hours, well, a few hours this afternoon. And someone did pop by just to check on the sheep. But I've just found one that seems to have had her waters break. Which would have been, well, in the last half an hour to hour. So she really should be doing something. I think it might be. Yeah, it is her. See the mess at the back. So hopefully she's going to start. There should be one I can just, I mean, she's quite big, but she's twins. So I'm hoping they should come out on their own. I can just observe, because then I need to rush to the shops and buy Easter eggs. I'm equally intrigued to see what this big girl produces. She's scanned as a single, but she is just massive. I don't believe it, I've been watching the wrong sheep. That one lying down, it wasn't her. So who is it? It's her, isn't it? It's her. At the end of the day, there is a chance that she just dropped that bag just as I arrived, and in which case that's only half an hour. She's waddling. I'm going to pop to the shops, give her a bit of space. Smash and grab Easter egg run. Back in 10 minutes. Yeah, that's her. Check out the waddle. She's wide as well. Stop eating and get on with it. The evening zoomies have started already. That number one, he's about 8 days older than everyone else. Alright, I told you she'd be greedy. I've got her up in this pen now. See what's going on. Right, I've had a feel. There's lamb's feet about the whole length of my hand back. And they feel pretty small. There's nothing big going on there, but she's just a bit confused, bless her. Not quite. You got a bit? Give me a slice. Good. That's better. Okay. Well, sometimes you just need to know when to give up and hand it over to the pros. So we called the vet about an hour in. Unfortunately, one of the vets was only 5 minutes away, finishing up with some lambing over the road, which was a lovely coincidence to have. But he came and he said she had a ring wound, which basically just super tight and restricted. There was no way they were going to come out. So I didn't feel too stupid. So he was able to give her, is it Sensiflex? It's basically a relaxing drug. And for some reason I thought that was something that was licensed just for vets, but he said no, it's a really good one to have. So we might get hold of some of that for either next week or next year. But let me show you how we're getting on. So we're only about half an hour on. And as you can see, 2 ewe lambs, both up on their feet, nearly. Mum, amazing. Just what a result. As you can see, quite a bit of trauma. They were quite yellow and dark when they came out, but she's slowly working out what to do. She's got water, I'll give her a bit of feed, and we'll spread out that straw a bit because it's got a bit mucky in there. You did all right, girl. Right, I came out this morning to check on the 2 twins who are actually fine. But I found this girl here on the left. She was down the bottom and it looks, to my untrained eye, like she's had a lamb. So I'm a bit confused. It might just be that her waters have gone a bit like the other one. But she's a first timer as well. So happy Easter, everyone. This is what Easter morning looks like though. There are worse days to wake up.
Peeling our veg, aren't we, Rosa?
Yeah.
What's going on outside?
Someone getting bath.
Yeah. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Who says that?
Oh, look, here it comes.
Oh yeah. Is it that? Oh, that is so cool. Is it a big one?
Does look like quite a big one.
I can feel its teeth. It's not got its head down yet. Let's go. Okay. Let's just see.
Oh no, but that's what the vet.
He is going.
What's the black stuff?
Good girl.
Look at the state.
Right. Yeah, can you see the feet are facing up?
Oh yeah.
So that's the bottom of the feet. So that means it's kind of like a backwards Superman. We need to get it out a bit quicker. It's not a small lamb again. It won't be soon. Don't get it out.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a slimy one. Good girl. That is a mighty pair of lambs. Boy and girl.
Huge. Oh, this is definitely one. That was a
Right.
rich lively, isn't it?
Just give them a little iodine.
They're a bit black.
They're going to be lovely. Right, let's leave her to it because she does not like lamb flavoured slop yet. Done, team. High five. Virtual blue glove high five. Oh yeah, I guess we're going to put them in the bin anyway. Good job. Happy Easter. Chocolate eggs for breakfast?
Yes!
She's got banana flavoured lambs for breakfast. So she was just really tight. This is the one that's been prolapsing. Unfortunately, none of that happened because I thought it was going to be a bloodbath. So she was, again, just first timer tight, the ring wound type thing. But these guys are strong and big. Helpful siblings. But as you saw, that bottom one, the lad, he was coming up backwards and she just wasn't pushing for some reason. But anyway, it's good to get them out. That one is motoring. A straightforward one, but equally not as bad as last night. Feel good about that one. We solved it. We worked out what was going on. She didn't get stressed. And that first one's up feeding. Or trying at least. Crazy. Alright, chocolate eggs, let's go. We're back down an hour later. This girl here is one of our older girls and she's having a single. She's picked the best place in the field, lovely nice big nest. We'll have to wait and see how she gets on because she is massive. So it'll be interesting to see how big this single is and how she copes. I'm hoping that because she's experienced, it shouldn't be a problem. Great. Miserable night, just come out to do the last checks. This girl's decided to start. First timer and twins. Let's hope this isn't a long night. Right. Oh, no way. I literally just gone in to get my waterproofs on. She's got 2 lambs. That was rapid. Good girl. Hang on a minute. What's going on here? What? That's not the one we were filming. She's had twins. This is... I don't believe it. This is the one we were filming. So she... No wonder she's had them. She's 5-year-old you. She knows what she's doing. So I'll just move them to a bit of a cleaner ground. So this, after all that, this is the one I was coming out to check. I'm going to come out in another hour to check. But she's mothering them well. They've been out about 10 minutes. And then Old Faithful here with her hour-olds, like a charm. So it should be alright to leave these now. And I'll just come out and check on Mum in a bit. But they're strong lambs, 2 girls, 2 boys. Back out to the girls who gave me no sleep last night. So everyone is doing well. I'm gonna let number 9 out. She's the old timer, I trust her. So I've just numbered them up. I'm not gonna do anything else to them for now. And then I'm just gonna leave 10 in for a couple more hours to familiarise herself with motherhood. And then she can go out with her 2 girls. So it wasn't the best coverage of lambing 2024, but we did our bits on the phone, bits on a GoPro, and we made our way through it. It was fairly uneventful. There was certainly a few, as you saw, that needed our help, but on the whole, most of our ewes went on to lamb on their own, outside. Not a single sheep came inside for the whole period, even though we had pretty terrible weather. But we've learnt a lot of lessons, and I think it's proved a point that outside is possible, and also a huge success rate for us in that we haven't lost a single lamb. So we'll do a follow-up video now the lambs are up and about, but for now that's it. Thanks for watching, take care guys, and see you next time.